Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Monkey app account. So let's just go and open our Monkey app mobile application here. So once you open it up, right, let it just open. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time here. Now once you open your Monkey app here, tap on the settings gear icon, right? So settings gear icon is somewhere you can always find in your profile icon. So just go and click on your profile icon, then you have to go to your settings of your account, and once you're here you have to find an option to delete your account. So here unfortunately you can see here there's a not and a single option where you can just delete your account. You can sign out, but there's nothing to delete your account, right? So as you can see here, unfortunately Monkey app doesn't have this option, and you can neither ask them to delete your account. This is a simple an option for a sign out, that's it, nothing else. So if you stop want to use this app, you have to just leave it as it is, right? If you want to delete your data and everything, then you have to go to your profile icon here and make sure to just remove all your photos and everything, edit your name, right? And after that your profile will be ultimately get removed after some years, right? So this is the only solution I have. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.